one of the reasons that paper was very enticing to me was about the opportunity and access. So before, to be honest, every school created what they called like an after school tutorial program where they opened it up to students like a homework center model. We didn't know who came. We tried to track it. We could never communicate with parents what actually happened. We dealt more with, to be perfectly honest, I'm a former site leader of Johnny told me he's going to it. Mr. Irish, can you look to see he actually did? And then that's what we spent our time with. So the other part was kids are busy and they have other responsibilities. They would say to me, a 3:30 to 5:30 just doesn't fit my schedule, Mr. Irish. They're doing homework, as we all know. Not, we don't like it, but early morning, late at night. So when they get to that point and they need help, um, they can't go. I mean, we can't ask our teachers to be awake and respond to students 24/7. So to be perfectly honest, I've told the site leaders, the board of South City is in agreement just with what we've seen thus far, that even if we return to in-person, we would love to continue this partnership and dissolve the homework center model because we think we can serve more students this way in a more equitable manner.